How to do bounds. Okay, here's the most sort of basic of questions. Have a go. Right, okay, so here we're saying, right, 63 centimetres to the nearest centimetre. What's the absolute lowest it could be but still round to 63? Well, that's 62.5. What's the greatest it could possibly be? Well, that's 63.5. Now, okay, that would actually round up, so the true answer should be 63.49 recurring, but for this bound type question, go for 63.5. Right, number 2, have a go at part C. Okay, so here we go, similar thing, 87 to the nearest gram, so 86.5 is the smallest, 87.5 is the biggest. Question 3, have a go. So part A is nice and standard, 28.5 is the biggest. Now for the perimeter, upper bound, we've got to go for the biggest on all sides. And remember, that top one is to the nearest 5 metres. So what's the absolute biggest it could be, but still round down to 145? Well, that's 147.5. So add those all up, you get your 352. Okay, number 4, have a go. Okay, the rest of these questions are all, once you've rearranged it, it's where you've got a fraction. This is the most typical type of question. Now, for I to be as low as possible, you need the numerator, the top bit, to be as low as possible, yet the denominator to be as high as possible. So it's 217.5 rounding down V, yet 12.65 rounding up R. Okay, so that's how you do number 4. The remaining questions are the same principle. So here's 5. Okay, so lower bound is as small. It's got to be as obviously as the lowest as possible. So numerator small, denominator high. For the upper bound, the other way around. And then you just see how far you can go for the suitable degree of accuracy. How many decimal places can you go to yet still round to the same? Well, that takes you to 1.08. Question 6 and its answer. Question 7 and its answer.